Hi everyone, in this video I'll be sharing with you what is the free material being offered by Unacademy for the various management entrance exams. And even though the agenda of this video was just to share with you the free material, I thought why not use it to tell you how exactly are you supposed to use this free material depending upon if you are self preparing for these exams or if you are taking coaching. But a fair disclaimer, this is not a coaching review video. So if you're looking for the plus subscription and wondering if you should take it, at max, I can invite the feedback from their current users or their past users in the comments, which might be more reliable for you. And secondly, for all the free materials, I'll be sharing just one link in the description, which you can check and click on it and access all those materials for free. There is just one sign up which will be required on the Unacademy website, and I confirmed it by doing it myself. So let me share with you the material that they're offering. The four boxes that you see on the left hand side are more relevant for the CAT exam, and the ones that you see on the right hand side are relevant for other management entrance exams. I'll be discussing all of them, and I'll also be telling you how to use it after that. But one resource which was promised by the Unacademy team specifically for the subscribers of this channel was a special formula book curated by Arun Sharma that they teach in their Plus course at Unacademy. This book will help you with your last minute revisions of all the formulas in the quant section, which I'll be sharing very shortly with you the moment I receive it from their team. So look out for that notification in the community tab or in the social media forums of non engineers. So let me start with the first one. The first resource that they're offering is CAT section wise classes. Now, when I checked Unacademy's portal, I was surprised to see that they're offering more than 2,700 plus courses, which is like a lot. So I just checked the quantitative aptitude section just to see their quality. And when I clicked on the arithmetic section and let's say the profit and loss, because I liked arithmetic, I just wanted to check how their course is. So I clicked on the one with the most number of ratings, which is like the first one with green blackboard in the background. I thought, let me just see how they are teaching. This particular video covered all the basic concepts of profit and loss and the formulas the same way that had been taught to me in the offline coaching that I took. So I took coaching from the Time Institute. So I was just trying to compare how are the formulas being taught over here, and if let's say someone does not take coaching and utilizes this free material, would it be sufficient? Now, I found two differences in these two kinds of material. One is that in the online version, which is free of cost, you might have to put in some effort to understand which educator is offering quality content, which might be one thing that you'll be required to do. Second is that since it's an online mode, sometimes the videos are a little stretched as compared to a timed class in an offline setup. So the educator might end up explaining you some concepts at a stretch which might require a lot more discipline and a lot more pause and taking some break in between the sessions. Otherwise, I am truly grateful for a resource like this being offered by an institute like Unacademy, because imagine the kind of quality education that they're providing for free, especially for someone who is not planning to take coaching in the long run. So make use of this resource, especially if you are not taking coaching right now, and clear your basics. The second resource being offered is CAT Advanced Workshops. Now, these are workshops spanning across 25 days and they take place section wise every weekend. What they do is that they've curated these by making them available by their top educators, and within a particular video of a session, they discuss the different caselets which have appeared in the past or different RCs which have appeared in the past and which they believe are of importance to the CAT exam. So this is specifically relevant for someone who is taking CAT just now and who has covered his or her basics and just wants to brush up their concepts. So for example, CAT 2020 takers, you can see this video. I was just checking. This is by Nilanjan Datta, who was a 100 percentiler, and I found this resource to be pretty helpful because what he does is he discusses a case, then he gives you time to solve it on the spot. And if you're watching a video, you can also just skip to the part where he explains how it was to be done. So that might be pretty helpful in comparing how you solved a particular set and how it was actually to be solved. The third resource was probably the best one that I found. It is a CAT T20 daily test series, especially relevant for someone who is taking CAT in 2020. These are about 70 sectional tests that Unacademy has created, and in each test, they try to simulate a mock in 60 minutes. So, for example, the different sections will appear within that test. However, the test will be of 60 minutes. And after the test, there is an analysis which is available. The educators also create a video for a live mock after it has taken place and it is uploaded to their website. What I found was the best thing about this series was that let's say if you have missed a particular test, You can still take it. The only difference would be that you won't be able to see your live rank. Otherwise, if you take a live test, then you'll be able to see your rank among all the takers as well. So I particularly found this series very helpful, especially for someone who is running short of mocks, who has taken all the mocks and is left with no more questions to practice. This is a huge amount of resource for you to practice more questions. The fourth resource that Unacademy is offering is called the National Scholarship Test, also known as NST. Now, this is a section wise test. So, every Sunday at 5 p.m., for about 40 minutes, they conduct a test which is based on one particular section. It could be QA, LRDI, or VARC. And they already tell you in advance which section is it going to be. The moment you take this test, the very same day at 7 o'clock, the analysis is uploaded by one of their educators and you get insights on how the test was to be solved. Now, the biggest benefit of this test is for the people who are going to start their preparation for a new exam, like let's say CAT 2021. The reason it is helpful is one, you get to know your current standing among all the people who might be preparing for this exam, and secondly, you get to understand which section are you not comfortable in the very beginning of your preparation journey, so that you can put in more effort. An additional advantage that they give is that the top 50 performers will be getting some Amazon vouchers worth about 5000 rupees, which is like an added incentive. But the main thing I feel would be helpful for you would be to check your current standing. So take this test irrespective of whether you are preparing for CAT 2020 or CAT 2021, it is still going to be helpful. Now, for those of you who might be preparing for other management entrance exams also, Unacademy offers all the past year papers from 2011 to 2019. And what they've done is they've started with the 2019 one, moving backwards so that you have the latest questions available with you. And they have made these resources available in the form of tests that you can take. And after the test, or even if you don't take a test, the analysis is made available to you by the educators the moment the test is conducted. So I believe this is something which can help you if you have already done your preparation and now you just want to practice the questions. So this is like the past year material which is available for free. Okay, now let's talk about the most important point, which is how to utilize this material, especially let's say if you're self preparing for this exam. So, this is the material in front of you, and I'll be taking the CAT exam as a base case, and you can extrapolate the learnings to all other exams as well. So, the first go to material for you should be the CAT section wise classes. First thing you need to do is to get basics clarity by watching their material. And for doing that, you should take a note of the entire syllabus of the different sections. Though CAT does not have a prescribed syllabus, but if you go to their topic wise list, you'll be able to note down all these topics. And then you should watch their videos one by one, clearing your basics of each topic. Along with that, you will also need some preparation books for you because you'll have to practice those questions after going through the basics. So, the way I would recommend this is watch the videos of a particular concept through their portal, then solve the questions, let's say LOD1 or maybe any book that you're using, just the basic level from that book of the same chapter that you've watched the videos for. Repeat this process with all the topics and you will have your basic conceptual clarity. Now, something I would want to state here, if let's say that you don't like a particular educator or you're feeling that a particular concept has not been explained very well, then I will also share a link in the description of other YouTube channels that have uploaded videos free of cost for CAT preparation, and you can mix and match and choose whichever you find better wherever you find better. The next resource, which is the CAT Advanced Workshops, might not be that relevant for you right now because for them you will require the basics clarity. And once you have cleared your basics, you can utilize this material to brush up your concepts of a particular section. So I would advise to go through this material in October or in November, or if you're able to complete your syllabus early, then in late August or September. So that is the time when you can go through this material, not right now. And as far as the test series are concerned, they are something that you must take, but the approach will differ depending upon whether you are taking coaching or whether you're self preparing. Now, if you're self preparing, then you should take a couple of these resources in the beginning and check where your current standing is in terms of the sections that you are strong in and you're weak in. So, for your weaker sections, you'll get to know pretty early on how much effort you are required to put in terms of how much you scored in these test series. So take a couple of them just to check where you are currently. Now, let's say that you're taking coaching. In that case, The cat section wise classes might not be that relevant for you unless you have unclear topics. So, for example, when I was taking coaching from Time, I could not understand the geometry topic even though they had tried to teach their level best. So, then what I did was I went through the YouTube videos and I tried to clear my concepts by watching these videos. So, you can also try to refer to them if you believe some topic was not taught well at your coaching institute, or if you believe that even though they would have taught well, you are still not clear with the concept. Regarding the CAT advanced workshops, I would not recommend you to go through them if you have already taken coaching or if you're planning to take coaching, because there'll be a duplication of efforts and then you would be wasting your time that way. Regarding the test series, like I mentioned, they are a must take for everyone, but your approach will be slightly different from the people who are self preparing. You have to treat this like an additional source. So, within your mocks, when you're taking the mocks, you might feel like you need to put in more effort for a particular section in which you did not score well. At that time, you might have already exhausted your resources. So, for example, when I was preparing, I remember that I did not have any more questions to practice from the time material. I had Arun Sharma LOD 3 questions left, but I did not want to go through them. So then I needed some additional resource and I looked up for the free mocks online. So you can utilize this material like a supplement material for your preparation when you need to amp up a particular section before taking the next mock. So this is how the approach will differ for both the cases if you are taking coaching or if you are self preparing, and how you are supposed to use this material. I hope this information helps you take a wiser choice, and I would highly recommend you to make use of these resources, because I believe that something that is being made available free of cost, being provided to you at a quality level, should be very helpful. A big thanks to the Unacademy team for providing all this material for free, and also for collaborating with non engineers for the creation of this video. Hope you guys found this helpful. If you have any queries, put them down in the comments. Thank you for watching the video.